XSE.
Hey guys, today we have 2021 Toyota Camry. We're gonna do oil change service. Let's check the car real quick. Go, red seats, navigation, pearl, and XSE model. All right, let's get to it. All right, first of all, we're gonna access the oil plugs. That's fine. We're gonna remove these, then we'll be able to see the oil plugs down here. Okay, so once you got that out, there you go. You can see your filter here. That's your filter, and let's find your drain bolt right there. That's your drain bolt. So make sure you get a hand to hold it, just to catch it. Alright, so to get that drain plugs out, we have this size, let me see, 14 socket. So we're gonna loosen that out, and you can drain the liquid first, then take that out. Alright, so let's remove, make sure you're going unloosen, left to losing. Oh, it's tight. Okay, someone put it tight. This is a trick right here. Come over here. See the pipe? I'm Mario! What's that? Give you some leverage.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
There you go. Right back. Pop open.
And watch out for the
Splash zone.
It's really tight. That's fine. Ready? That's dark. It's our time.
Perfect timing for the oil change, huh?
Yep. Once we got everything out, just put the drain plugs, and then we have to change the filter. Alright, so that's pretty much done. You could wait a little bit more, make sure it's fully drained, but that's pretty good. Just gonna put back the drain plugs. This one is it's kind of iffy actually. There you go. Make sure it's clean. I'm going to retight it. And this time we're not using Mario. We don't need to be really tight like a while ago. I know you need to torque it, but you'll be fine. You're not gonna die. Just make sure it's hand tight and a bit twist. And cleaned it. The next will be our filter right up here. The drain. We'll see what we can do. This one might fit on that one. We can try with a new filter. It's pretty good. It fits pretty good. So we're gonna remove that. That fits good. Like it. And put it there. See that? That's loose. That's really loose. Alright, it's time to drip. Watch. There you go. So I'm gonna let it drip before I pull it out all the way. Make sure all the oil is out. Slowly. There you go. That's good. Hold on. Oops.
A little extra trip.
That's good. That's good. That's good. That's it.
And there it goes, everything.
You can see this is like, I don't know, dealer? That's cheap.
Yeah.
That's cheap, right? I don't even know. Security, what is this? ADT? Alright, then we're gonna clean that. Alright, so you can see what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean that up. Just wipe it. There you go, that's good. So before you install the new one, it's clean. There you go. Then, let me know you're ready.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the new filter we have. That's a gold Napa filter. It's one of the best ones they have, lasts long. So we're gonna prime it. And we're using Mobil 1 0W-16, and that's what's recommended, especially for these newer cars. They will say you might get away with 0W-20, but for this new car, how many miles is this? 26,000?
Yeah, 26,000.
Yeah, that's really new. I would not even go to the 20. I'll go for what it says. So you prime it. Make sure the gasket is wet so it will seal really good. So now we're gonna put it back. Top. Same way. This time I'm not gonna use the tool. Just gonna use it by hand. Oops, chop. Still dripping. That's the primer that we use. That is fine. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There you go. Make sure it's tight. I'm gonna tighten it with this good grip. Well, it doesn't have much room. That's good enough. Okay. So now we're done. We have the filter up and the drain plug tightened.
Yep.
So we just put it back. Same as how you take it out. Couple screw here and there. And tighten it. Then we're gonna fill the oil. That should be good. You can do like what do you want? Alright, so we're gonna bring it down. Bring it up first. Then unlock here. Same as the other side. Go. Then we're going down.
Got it.
And mind this one, okay? Rag, just in case. Alright. Now we're gonna fill up the oil. We're gonna use the Mobil 1 full synthetic 0W-16. And that's what's recommended. Remove that. You see what does it say here? But you gotta fill that up. Let me see if it says that one. Sometimes it does. Oh, there you go. Right here. Pick it up. Whoa. Here's our W16. We're gonna top it off. I'm gonna put maybe 4 of these, and then we're gonna check the level. some people, they forgot to put drain plug. Guess what happened?
Spills all over the floor.
And the car drove off. I have a warranty on that.
For real, engines are gonna be done.
That happens a lot. When you have a nice car, and mechanics would like test drive it. Like it. I think I put enough oil. You just have to check the oil level. First, we just clean it. Should be, I don't know if you can see it. See the dots?
Yep.
Should be in the middle.
Okay.
Alright. Clean it, insert it, make sure your level is flat, your flow is flat. Slowly. There you go. See that? It's not clean. I don't know if you can see it.
Yep.
It's right here.
Super
So that's
clean.
beautiful. Yeah, it is clean. Alright, let's play. I'm just gonna double check it just in case.